Hey everybody, I want to give you a first look at the brand new hardcover editions of Ruins of the Earth. This is an unboxing and I am super excited for this. This is a must-have for any Ruins collector, and I am totally knocked out by the quality of this book. These are going out to some very lucky VIP readers today. I am really excited to surprise them. If you want your own edition, you can pick it up at Amazon.com, and I promise you will not be disappointed. Buy it today. See you in the Ruins, everybody. Peace.